People ask me all the time how I can stay so calm in stressful situations. I have a few mindfulness grounding techniques that I think might be able to help you. Now, while I don't claim that this is a catch all and a cure for everything in your life that stresses you out, I do think that if you practice this on a regular basis, that it can help you with any sort of stress that you might be thinking or feeling. Our nervous system is connected from our brains all the way through our bodies. So if you're feeling stress or tension mentally or emotionally, it's going to show up in your body. You're going to have times where there's pain throughout your body, or you'll just feel your muscles tense up, which can actually cause long-term medical illnesses in addition to just more stress. So let's go ahead and get started. A few mindfulness yoga techniques that anybody can practice. If you're in a position where you can do this outside in the grass or safely on the concrete barefoot, where you can actually connect with the earth, it's helpful. If you're not in a position where you can do that, if you're at work or at a family reunion or something in a place where you're not able to do that, just standing anywhere, even with shoes on, can be helpful. Mindfulness is all about clearing the mind of any sort of clutter, any sort of stress or distraction. Oftentimes it can help if we keep our eyes closed in these postures. When we keep our eyes closed, we have nowhere to look but inward, and that helps eliminate any sort of distraction. All right, so we'll begin in mountain pose with our feet planted firmly into the earth, the palms of our hands facing what is in front of us, and our eyes closed. We'll begin by activating that nervous system through a 3-part breath. So we'll inhale for 6 counts. We'll hold that breath for 5 counts, and then we'll exhale audibly, loud, for 8 counts. So we'll inhale. We'll take a moment to return to a normal breath. We might find ourselves standing firm in this mountain pose. We might find ourselves swaying back and forth a little bit. Sometimes that swaying can be soothing. And in this mindfulness practice, we'll just let go of any sort of stress or tension we might be thinking or feeling. We'll start with the forehead. We'll just relax all the muscles in the forehead. We'll move through the cheek and then soften the jaw. Moving down through the neck and into the shoulders. Allowing those shoulders to drop down and away from the ears. Moving into the abdomen, into the arms, into the legs, all the way into the feet and the hands. And we'll just take a moment here just to focus on that breath, not giving too much attention to how we breathe, but just the way it feels as it enters and leaves our bodies. And we'll take a few moments here of silence just as we feel that breath. And then when you're ready, we'll take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the nose. Just bringing our senses and our awareness back into the room. And then when you're ready, allowing ourselves to keep our eyes closed or coming to a soft gaze if you'd like. We'll bring our hands to heart center. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be well. That concludes our mindfulness techniques. If you're interested in learning more about mindfulness techniques, feel free to check out our website, send me a message, ask me for some hints, and I'm happy to help out. Have a great day.